Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix your sidebar if your page content is not stretching towards your sidebar. For an example, when I'm trying to close my sidebar, my page, well, first of all, my content page is behind my sidebar, and second of all, it does not stretch, unlike my other pages. If I show you, as you can see, my page content stretches towards my sidebar, but on my supplier all page it does not do that. So how to fix this is pretty easy. Well, first of all, what you have to do is at the top of your code just paste these two lines, and then once you did that, just simply I'm going to show you the CSS behind this as well. So this is the CSS behind it. You can also copy this if you want. Okay, now let's go back and let me show you guys how it works. So now, as you can see, my page is stretching towards my sidebar. So yeah, that was it. If you have any questions, let me know. I will leave the code lines on the description. You can copy it from there, and like I said, if you have any questions, make sure to comment down below. Have a good day. See you guys.